Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your account is ready and Drive can use cellular. Sign in, then go to your phone's settings right arrow apps right arrow Drive. Allow mobile data and background data so uploads aren't blocked. Next, disable battery saver or mark Drive as unrestricted. Otherwise, the system will pause transfers when the screen is off. Once done, open Drive, tap the menu to confirm you're on the right account, and prepare the specific folder or files you want to upload now. Now you'll run the actual uploads and adjust finer settings. Select files or folders in Drive and choose Upload. If uploading photos, use Camera Backup and enable Use Mobile Data for backups when prompted. In Drive settings, set upload size and disable Wi-Fi only restrictions so mobile data is allowed. Make a small test upload first to verify speed and data behavior, then queue larger files. Also, make sure you monitor progress in the Transfers section, so finish by confirming each file uploaded and opens correctly in Drive. Refresh the folder view and check modification times. If you need immediate offline access, mark specific files available offline so they download to your device storage. To conserve data later, revert any unrestricted background settings or set upload limits. If something goes wrong, clear Drive app cache, toggle mobile data and Wi-Fi, sign out and back in. Then retry the upload. This often resets stalled transfers and resolves authentication or APN hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.